This is Invisalign, start to finish, everything included. When you're ready to fix your smile, we start with data collection, which is a scan, photos, and x-rays. The national average Invisalign case takes 11 months. With Dr. Corley's advanced training and proven techniques, that same 11-month Invisalign case is reduced to only 8 months. Wow! That means Dr. Corley makes Invisalign work quicker, better, and easier for you. 3 weeks after date collection, you return to start your first tray towards the smile you always wanted. You'll wear trays 24/7, day, night, sleeping, all the time except when you clean your teeth. While each patient's issues are unique, Dr. Corley customizes treatment to your specific needs. Some patients need IPR, polishing between certain teeth to create extremely small amounts of space to uncrowd some teeth and help them to fit and look better. Some patients will need attachments, tooth-colored buttons placed on teeth at the beginning and polished off at the end of treatment. They help move your teeth more reliably and efficiently. So, after we get you going and things look good, we give you multiple trays to take home and start at specific dates. While you're more than invited to come in and see Dr. Corley and her terrific team as often as you want, it just isn't necessary, saving you a bunch of time and effort. Simply, we make things easier and more effective. When you're happy with your smile, we get you retainers, a set of upper and lower retainers that look like your Invisalign trays, but are just a little thicker. You'll wear retainers at night, every night, to keep your teeth where you are happy. They also are great to protect your teeth from grinding and clenching, and they can be used for professional whitening. However, all retainers stretch, and then your teeth shift. Since we want your teeth to stay where they are, research says that you should get new retainers a minimum of every 2 years to prevent shifting. But experience shows that some people go through retainers quicker. So, in the future, you can purchase additional retainers from us or any other Invisalign dentist. So, are you ready to start fixing your smile today?